Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy. Today we are going to learn how to create dependent drop list in Excel and add data validation. Let's begin now. You can see here my all data. Here I downloaded a country list and their cities, and here I used a unique function to bring the country names here and their city names down using the filter function. Now after this one I brought this all data here and I made the country list here and their countries and their city names are here. So we will do it exercise here now. I'll remove this data validation and I will guide you what to do on this one. Okay. Here first of all what you need to do, you need to create a name range formula, name range. Okay, create a name range from the selection, top is a row, and then here create from selection top rows. I have created their name ranges. Now come in this exercise here, we will create now, go to data tab, data validation, list, and just equals to F3 you will find the list. Here you need to find the country. Okay, okay, then come here, the next choose city, create drop down list, list equals to in direct, and select this column, this cell information, and remove the dollar sign from the between, just make it like this, and okay. Okay, we'll see here what is the error now. Here you can see now it is showing you the name of the city. Now if I will choose some other city, Belgium, and I will see here that now it is not giving me that dependent information, because here we need to create the table. I intentionally not created this one, table list country. Okay, it will be a dynamic now. You will see it here now, Bangladesh, and here see. I intentionally not created to tell you that what error can come here. So see now if I am going to choose another country, Botswana, and here I will use the name. For example, now I am choosing it here, some country, India. Here which country is available, Indonesia is there, and here the name. So this is dependent list, you can create this way, it's very easy, and you just need to remember two things which are very important. This country list should be in a table format and you will name it to the table. Then you have to create a name range for this one, and all this data name range you should have to create. And if after this one you can create the table as well for this one, because when you are creating a new column, new country and their city names, it will automatically be fetched here. So you can see here now Indonesia and here, and if you want to copy this information here, you can even though drag this information down and it will come down as it is. You can see it now. I am removing this one and I am choosing some other country, see Almaty and Kosovo and Turgesh. So this way you can create, because I created for the big data for your experiment to do it like this one. I will upload this file with my video link below in my YouTube channel. you can download this Excel sheet and you can make the practice. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, please subscribe to my channel, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post a new video. Provide your valuable feedback in comments. Thank you.